Greetings, Crawford Peterson here with some exciting news and video proof that's going to blow your mind, as well as potentially put an unlimited amount of money in your bank account for life. In this video, I will show you how easy and fast this service I offered is making me money in my first week of business. So let's get right to the video proof of my back office and show you just how I got this service to convert to money in the bank. As you can see here on your screen, I have my back office administrative panel open to show you several important facts. First, I want to point out that I have accumulated 6 sales. Remember, this is proof for 6 sales as to the results I got. Then also look at the amount of time it took me to get those sales, which may or may not take you the little amount of time it took me. That total of 6 sales is over $2,000 I made right here. Now, let's get to the part of how amazing this service really is after you get the hang of it and double down on your commitment to big money. This next graphic is the meat and potatoes of what you and I are going to achieve, since this commission structure gets better and better as you perform well at closing each sale, as an agent of NextGen Family Protection. Notice that just offering the service as I will show you how is starting at a base commission of 35%, the commission goes up rapidly from that point, to only a minimal amount of sales and a fast trajectory at each level. Now as you scan this graphic, you can see with little effort, that because of the value of each commissionable sale, this chart converts to big money in short order as you fast track your progress. Remember, that each sale that fulfills your commission level is going to be a lot more money every time you make your next sale at the new level. Just when you think it's good enough to join, I have more news to tell you. This system that NextGen Family Protection has includes me offering the marketing package exclusively to those who join with me in whatever town or city you live in. There is no limited territory and no marketing limitations while following our guidelines. To get the marketing package before your peers get wind of this and you lose out, click the link in the description below and examine our done-for-you online business package now. Your joining us this year is going to be one of your best decisions and outcomes you could possibly experience for years to come. We're not just protecting lives with our service, we are also transforming the lives of our agents with our business and lifestyle makeover.